Hello students, we are continuing with sentence transformation. It's session number 12. Today we are going to discuss how to transform compound sentences into complex one. In earlier sentences, we practiced on changing simple sentences into compound one, compound sentences into simple one. Now it's time to convert compound sentences into complex one. Compound sentences into complex one. Friends, as we have discussed earlier, compound sentence has two clauses. Both are independent clauses and they are connected with coordinating conjunction. Complex sentence has also two clauses, but either is dependent. Either clause is dependent on the other one, and they are connected with subordinating conjunction. Here, coordinating conjunction, and here, subordinating conjunction. So, while converting compound sentence into complex sentence, we need to keep in mind that the sentence should be a dependent one. We will convert one independent sentence into a dependent one, and the conjunction will be replaced from coordinating to subordinating conjunction. How? Let us study a few examples. Here, he is poor, but he is happy. Two sentences. He is poor is a clause. It can create a sense. But he is happy. He is happy. It can also create a sense. But is coordinating conjunction. Both are clauses. We will replace but coordinating conjunction by subordinating conjunction. To show contrast, we have ample of subordinating conjunctions like though, although, even though, however, as. These are the conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions used to make it complex. Here you can see, friends, though. Though is a subordinating conjunction. Though he is poor, now it's a dependent clause. Though he is poor, it doesn't make a sense. Though he is poor, it doesn't make a sense. He is happy. He is happy. It makes a sense. That's why it's independent clause. While this is a dependent clause, adverbial clause, what we call, it shows the contrast to the main idea given in independent clause. He is happy is a clause. Though he is poor is another clause, but it is dependent on main clause, which is shown over here. He is happy is a main clause. It's an independent clause. Though he is poor, it's a dependent clause. Though is subordinating conjunction. After though, there is always a complete sentence with subject and verb. Subject and verb. Though can be used in between two sentences. He is happy though he is poor. That's also the other way of presenting the same sentence. Now it's the complex one. It was a compound because there was but, here it is though, and it is a dependent one on the main principal clause. She is ill. She is ill. Yeah, it makes a sense. Yet, showing contrast. She worked very hard. It's other clause. two clauses connected with subordinating conjunction yet. Now, friend, showing contrast, what I told you, we have ample of subordinating conjunction like though, although, however, as. Here, although has been used. Although she is ill. See, she is ill. It's a clause and connected with although. Although she is ill, she worked very hard. She worked very hard. Here it's another clause. She worked very hard. It makes a sense. But although she is ill, it needs the help of main clause to make its meaning clear in reader's mind. And that's why although she is ill is a dependent clause. It's a dependent clause. She worked very hard. It's an independent clause. They're connected with although. Friends, keep in mind though, although makes a sentence complex, but yet makes it compound. Next example. The class was lengthy, but it was enjoyable. But it was enjoyable, but coordinating conjunction. Now, contrast showing situation. They are connected with though. Though the class was lengthy, the class was enjoyable. The class was enjoyable. It is principal clause, main clause, and its independent clause. It does not need help to make its meaning clear in reader's mind. While though the class was lengthy, it alone can't create a complete sense in reader's mind. And that's why this clause is a dependent clause. Is a dependent while this is an independent clause. And the whole makes it a complex with one main clause and one subordinating clause, dependent clause, which depends on main clause connected with though. Study hard or you will fail. Or is coordinating conjunction making it compound. Study hard, it's a sentence, imperative sentence. You is hidden subjects in this. Study hard, lest. Lest is subordinating conjunction making the sentence complex. Lest you should fail means lest you should not, means you will not fail. Lest makes the meaning negative. Lest is the conjunction which makes the meaning connected sentence negative. Here, friends, let us analyze this sentence. Study hard is one sentence. Lest you should fail is dependent clause on main clause. Study hard. It can create a sense. It's an independent clause. Lest you should fail. It can't create a sense. It's a dependent clause, subordinating clause, which depends on main clause, principal clause. Study hard to make its meaning clear. Practice hard. Practice hard. Imperative sentence. It's a clause. Otherwise, you will be out of the cricket team. Otherwise, conjunction. It's a clause. It's the clause. Both are independent. You will be out of the cricket team. Here, practice hard. It's a main clause. Lest you should be out of the cricket team. Lest you should be out of the cricket team. It's dependent clause which depends on main clause to make its meaning clear. Next one. The rain stopped and we started the journey, and is coordinating conjunction. The rain stopped and we started the journey. Here, two consecutive actions has been connected with as soon as, showing the time of starting the journey, when the journey was started. We started the journey, it's the main clause. When it was started, as soon as the rain stopped, its dependent clause, its adverbial clause showing the time of action, in the main sentence. Here, two clauses. We started the journey, its principal clause, main clause, independent clause. While as soon as the rain stopped, its dependent clause, subordinating clause, adverbial clause showing the time. The crowd saw the hero and started shouting. Too close. The crowd saw the hero and the crowd started shouting. And subordinating conjunction, and that's why it makes a sentence compound. Now, to make it complex, subordinating conjunction will be removed. Here, both sentence has the relation of consecutive action. It's the reaction of showing the hero. Shouting is the reaction of showing the hero. So two consecutive actions, as soon as is the conjunction, use subordinating conjunction. As soon as the crowd saw the hero, its dependent clause, they started shouting. Its main clause. Its main clause. The weather was bad and the match did not take place. Two clauses. The weather was bad. The match did not take place. Connected with an coordinating conjunction, that's why it's a compound. Now to make it complex, we will remove coordinating conjunction. Since reason, why, what's the reason? Match did not take place, what's the reason? The weather was bad. And to show the reason, since, as, because. These are the conjunction used in complex sentences. Since, as, and because. Here, since the weather was bad, showing the reason of not taking place of the match. The match did not take place. Its principal clause, main clause, the match did not take place. Why? The attached sentence shows the reason, which is a dependent clause. To make its meaning clear, it needs to get the help of main principal clause. Since the weather was bad, it's also clause, but it's a dependent one, while it is an independent one. Main clause, principal clause, what we call. While dependent is called subordinating clause in complex sentence. Since is the conjunction which combine two sentences. It can also be used in between, in the middle of two sentences, which we have already discussed in our earlier sessions. The match did not take place since the weather was bad. This is the other way of presenting the same sentence. She was ill, so she did not come. She was ill, she did not come. What's the reason of her not coming? Here, as or since, both showing the reason. As, she was ill clause, and the whole is a dependent clause. As she was ill, she did not come. It's a main clause, principal clause. She did not come. And as she was ill, it's a dependent clause, subordinating clause, which depends on main clause. It needs the help of main clause to make its meaning clear, to clear its meaning. The sun has set to the west, and therefore that's the conjunction. It is evening, and therefore it's evening. When it is evening, the sun has set to the west. When is subordinating conjunction used to combine two clauses. The sun has set to the west, it's the main clause. When it is evening, it's an adverbial clause showing the time of setting the sun in west direction. I saw a girl and she was singing. I saw a girl who was singing. Who is subordinating conjunction, used for girl. Who was singing is an other clause. I show a girl who was singing. I show a girl is the main clause. I show a girl is a main clause. Who was singing is a dependent clause, depend on the main clause, and it's an adjective clause, describing girl. Describing girl. It describes the girl. A girl. What type of girl? Who was singing? Next one. I have a friend and she is a writer. I have a friend who is a writer. Who is a writer? It's a dependent clause. It depends on the first clause, main clause. And who is the writer is an assistant clause helping the main clause, describing one of the part. It is a friend. Let me go there, compound, or otherwise I'll be unable to learn it. It's other clause. Let me go there. It's a clause. Uh, Coordinating conjunction. This will be removed. Coordinating and subordinating conjunction if condition. If I do not go there, conditional sentence, I'll be unable to learn it. I'll be unable to learn it. It's the main clause, principal clause, main principal. While if I do not go is a dependent clause showing the condition of main clause. Overall, friends, you can see here it's whole sentence having it's a called complex sentence having one dependent clause and one independent clause. It's if I do not go there, it's a dependent clause. Next example. Let me study hard or otherwise I'll be unable to get good marks. Or otherwise, coordinating conjunction, they will be removed to make it complex and replaced by if. If I do not study hard, dependent clause, I'll be unable to get good marks. Main clause, principal clause. I'll be unable to get good marks if I do not study hard. Let me study hard and I'll be able to get good marks. It's the other way. And I'll be able to get good marks. If I study hard, if and unless both can be used, friends, after unless, it should a negative meaning. If I study hard, I'll be able to get good marks. If I study hard, dependent clause, I'll be able to get good marks, independent clause. Chief or principal clause it is called. While if I study hard, it is called subordinating clause showing the condition of main idea presented in the principal clause. Next one. Let me go there and I'll be able to learn it. Let me go there and I'll be able to learn it. Unless I'll go there, I'll be unable to learn it, or it can be written in complex. These both are compound. Complex can be if I'll not go there, I'll not be able to learn it. If I'll go there, I'll be able to learn it. This is the way. Or with unless I go there, unless I go there, I'll not be able to learn it. This is the way compound sentence is converted into complex. Next example. Study hard or you will fail, or is a coordinating conjunction. If you do not study hard, you will fail. Two sentences. First one is dependent clause. You will fail is independent one, main clause. The same can be written unless you study hard, you will not pass. Unless you study hard, you'll fail or you'll not pass. practice more, or you cannot become a good singer. Two things. Or is the coordinating conjunction. Practice more, you cannot become a good singer. That's the condition. If you do not practice more, you cannot become a good singer. You cannot become a good singer. Its main clause, it can create a sense. If you do not practice more, it makes a half sense. It's a dependent sentence because to make a complete sense, it needs help of main clause. And that's why it's the dependent clause. If you do not practice hard. Or it can be written with unless you practice more, you cannot become a good singer. Study hard and you will get good marks. If you study hard, you will get good marks. Read more and your writing capability will increase. If you read more, your writing capability will increase. Your writing capability will increase. Independent clause, chief or principal clause. If you read more, it's a dependent clause. It depends on main clause to make its meaning clear in form of condition. It shows the condition of increasing the writing capability. That's the condition to read more. It's the condition. So it's conditional sentence, friends. It is connected with if and presenting dependent clause. I am very tired, and so, or hence, or therefore, I cannot work. I cannot work. A result. These are the conjunction. So, hence, and therefore. Coordinating conjunction. Connecting two sentences, two independent clauses. I am very tired. I cannot work. Now let us make it complex, and for that coordinating conjunctions will be removed and replaced by subordinating conjunctions so and that. So and that. I am so tired. I am so tired that I cannot work. I am so tired that I cannot work. Next one. The place is very crowded and so or hence and therefore. These are coordinating conjunction. The place is very crowded. I cannot find a place to stand. The place is so crowded. The place is so crowded that I cannot find a place to stand. That I cannot find a place to stand. Say prayers, or you cannot advise anyone to say prayers. Or coordinating conjunction. To make it complex, coordinating conjunction will be removed. Unless you say prayers, unless is the conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Unless you say prayers, you cannot advise anyone to say prayers. You cannot advise anyone to say prayers, it's main clause. While unless you say prayers, it's a dependent clause. It's a dependent clause depend on main clause, helping main clause to describe any of its part. Next one. Practice hard or you cannot become a good singer. Or coordinating conjunction replaced by unless to make it complex. Unless you practice hard, you cannot become a good singer. Unless you practice hard, you cannot become a good singer. That's it for this session, friends. Thank you.